Welcome to Maths class, children. Today we will learn more about multiplication. In this lesson you have to learn multiplication tables of 3, 4 and 6. Here is the multiplication table of 3. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 10 3s are 30. Multiplication table of 4. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36, 10 4s are 40. Multiplication table of 6. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42, 8 6 are 48, 9 6 are 54, 10 6 are 60. Ordered property of multiplication. Two numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product remains the same. This is the ordered property of multiplication. For example, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 3 into 4 is also equal to 12. Therefore, 4 into 3 is same as 3 into 4. 4 into 3 is equal to 3 into 4. Multiplication of two-digit numbers. Let us multiply 21 by 2. First we have to write the numbers. 21 into 2. Now we will multiply ones place numbers. Multiply 1 1 by 2. 2 into 1 1 is equal to 2 ones. Write 2 in the ones column. Next, multiply 2 tens by 2. 2 into 2 tens is equal to 4 tens. Write 4 in the tens column. Now we will get answer 42. 21 into 2 is equal to 42. Let us see how to multiply 22 by 4. First we have to write the numbers. 22 into 4. We have to multiply ones place numbers first. 2 1 into 4. 2 into 4 is equal to 8 ones. So we will write 8 in the ones place. Then 2 tens into 4 is equal to 8 tens. So again we have to write 8 in the tens place. 22 into 4 is equal to 88. Next, how to multiply 30 into 2? First we have to write the numbers 30 into 2. We have to multiply the ones place numbers first. 0 1 into 2 is equal to 0. We will write 0 in the ones place. 3 tens into 2. 2 into 3 tens is 6 tens. So we will write 6 in the tens place. 30 into 2 is equal to 60. Next, let us see how to multiply two-digit number with regrouping of ones. Let us multiply 15 by 3. We have to write the numbers first. 15 into 3. Begin multiplication from the ones place. Multiply 5 ones by 3. 3 into 5 ones is equal to 15 ones. Regroup 15 ones. Now 15 ones is equal to 1, 10 and 5 ones. Write 5 in the ones column. Carry over 1 to the tens column. Next we will multiply 110 by 3. 3 into 110 is equal to 3 tens. Add the carried over 1. Now we will get 110 plus 3 tens, which is equal to 4 tens. Write 4 in the tens column. So the final answer is 45. 15 into 3 is equal to 45. Let us see how to multiply 24 by 3. Multiply 24 by 3. First we have to write the numbers 24 into 3. Begin from the ones place. 3 into 4 ones is equal to 12 ones. That means we have to regroup 12 ones into 1, 10 and 2 ones. Write 2 in the ones column and carry 1 to the tens column. Now 3 into 2 tens. 3 into 2 tens is 6 tens. We have to add the carried over 1 also. So 1 10 plus 6 tens is equal to 7 tens. We have to write 7 in the tens column. So the final answer will be 72. 24 into 3 is equal to 72. Next, how to multiply 16 by 6? Write the numbers 16 into 6. Begin multiplication from the ones column. 6 ones into 6. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 36 is same as 3 tens and 6 ones. We have to write 6 in the ones column and carry 3 to the tens column. Now 6 into 110 is 6 tens. With that 6 tens, we have to add the carried over 3 tens also. So 6 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 9 tens. We have to write 9 in the tens column. The final answer is 96. 16 into 6 is equal to 96. Next, multiplication with regrouping of tens. Let us see how to multiply 43 by 3. Here we have to write hundreds, tens and ones. HTO. Below that we will write 43 into 3. Begin multiplication from the ones column. First we have to write the numbers, then we'll start multiplication from the ones column. Multiply 3 ones by 3. 3 times 3 ones is equal to 9 ones. Write 9 in the ones column. Next we have to multiply 4 tens by 3. 3 into 4 tens is equal to 12 tens. Regroup 12 tens as 12 tens is equal to 102 tens. Write 1 in the hundreds column. Write 2 in the tens column. So the final answer will be 129. 43 into 3 is equal to 129. Let us see how to multiply 52 by 4. First we have to write the numbers 52 into 4. Begin multiplication from the ones column. 2 ones into 4 is 8 ones. Write 8 in the ones column. Then multiply 5 tens and 4. 4 into 5 tens is 20 tens. And 20 tens is equal to 200. So we have to write 2 in the hundreds place and 0 in the tens place. The final answer will be 208. 52 into 4 is equal to 208. Now let us see how to multiply 63 by 3. First, write the numbers 63 into 3. Start multiplication from the ones column. 3 ones into 3 is 9 ones. Write 9 in the ones column. Then multiply 6 tens and 3. 3 times 6 tens is 18 tens. And 18 tens is same as 108 tens. We have to write 1 in the hundreds place and 8 in the tens place. So the final answer will be 189. 63 into 3 is equal to 189. Multiplication with regrouping of ones and tens. Multiply 56 by 2. Write the numbers 56 into 2. Always begin from the ones column. Multiply 6 ones by 2. 2 into 6 ones is equal to 12 ones. Regroup 12 ones as 1 10 and 2 ones. Write 2 in the ones column. Carry over 1 to the tens column. Now let us multiply 5 tens by 2. 2 into 5 tens is equal to 10 tens. Add the carried over 1. 1 10 plus 10 tens is equal to 11 tens. Regroup 11 tens as 11 tens is equal to 100 and 110. Write 1 in the hundreds column and write 1 in the tens column. Now the final answer will be 112. 56 into 2 is equal to 112. Let us multiply 34 by 3. First, write the numbers 34 into 3. Always begin multiplication from the ones column. 4 ones into 3. 3 into 4 ones. 3 fours are 12. Write 2 in the ones column. Carry 1 to the tens column. 3 tens into 3. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have to write 1 in the hundreds place and 0 in the tens place. The final answer will be 102. 34 into 3 is equal to 102. Next, let us multiply 86 by 4. Write the numbers 86 into 4. Always begin multiplication from the ones column. 6 ones into 4 or 4 into 6. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Write 4 in the ones column. Carry 2 to the tens column. 8 tens into 4 or 4 into 8 tens. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 2. 32 plus 2 is equal to 34. Then we will have to write 3 in the hundreds place and 4 in the tens place. So the final answer is 344. 86 into 4 is equal to 344.